getting a digital platform team ready for scale in 3 months. Our Australian-based client, an employee experience software company, faced the challenge of scaling their platform to meet surging demand. As remote work and economic uncertainty reshaped the workforce, more companies were eager to invest in their employees and culture. Our client needed a strategy to grow rapidly and effectively. They needed support to ensure their platform team had the agility, skills, and capacity to deliver valuable features and keep pace with the increasing demand for services. Equal Experts provided hands-on support, embedding a consultant into the platform team. We demonstrated best practices within event-driven architecture and facilitated skill development through pair programming. We emphasized the importance of user research and value-led prioritization, crafting a customer-focused roadmap for feature development. It ensures our client can plan and deliver high-value features, fostering both customer satisfaction and business growth. In just 3 months, the client team gained the knowledge, capabilities, and confidence to deliver features and ensure its platform could rapidly scale. Contact Equal Experts to find out how we can help prepare your team for scale.